Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Back again for another unboxing video. This video right here, this unboxing is if you're barbecuing on a budget. So if you want to get your barbecue grill on, but you don't have money for one of the big boys, the fancy ones and all that, go back to like it was back in time to where we used charcoal. So, you know, there's a lot of stuff going on in the world. So if your power go out, your gas go out, you always want to have a barbecue grill that use charcoal where you can still eat a hot meal even if you have no power, you know, electricity, no gas. You just light up some charcoal and you can cook just like you are in the oven. So let's get it open. Here's what this is. Basically, it's a mini. Ooh! Pack this baby open. Crack this open. I ain't gonna tell you ahead of time what it is. Or what it looked like, rather, but you already know what it is. So boom, I don't have my grandpa knife today, so we just use a regular old knife. But what we got here, ooh, get this plastic out of here. So check it out, you guys. Better Chef for Professional. So we got the barbecue 414, the 14-inch barbecue grill. So let's get the baby out. It's not too much to it as far as setting it up and everything. You already know how the big boy is. Uh-oh, I gotta do it like this. Let's get it out. There we go. Get that off of there. There we go. We got the 14-inch barbecue grill. See, it looks just like the big boy, but it's basically where you can sit it on the ground or you can put it on tabletop. We're probably gonna sit on a little table there. Whew, this thing's a little dusty, boy. They must have been having this thing sitting around in the warehouse. Good gracious. Good, yeah. All right, we gotta clean them off. I got this good little deal, not too expensive. All right, so I'm gonna need the knife again. Yeah, that bad boy look like it's taped up, so it don't look like it's been opened though. But right here, a little barbecue grill, use charcoal right there, 14-inch. It's by Better Chef. Ooh, I went deep. Like, ooh, went deep right there. Oh, crack this baby open. So it's pretty simple to set up. Everything is pretty much right in here. Yep. So that's the box right there. We're going to sit down on the side. Here's your actual grill that you're going to place your food on. Instructions manuals. Let's see, I think I could do this without the instruction manual, so let's go. We got the screws in here. You got the screws. You got your little thing right here that turns it. You got your handle. So you know what? You will need something there. And then right here, you got, this is for your ashes. This catches all your ashes underneath the bottom. Here's the bottom board. And this is basically what it looks like. Right here, here's your holes from the bottom. Your legs are going to go through there. Here's your top. And this is going to go there. So you can open and close your vents. You know, just like the big boy. And these are the legs right here. These are the legs I talked about. Because remember I said this is a little short tabletop one. So these legs are going to go in here. And that's how it's going to sit up. Right there. So that's all simple and fine. Look, let's get this baby set up. All right, you guys, I got it all together here. As you can see, we got the tray right here for the ashes. You got your little regulator, your heat regulator right here. You open and close that. This regulates how much heat is coming up so you can cook it to perfection. We got the legs on there, top. Here's the inside of it. Also a heat regulator there, the smoke right there on top. And then we got your two inner layers right here. So you got your initial one right here. And then you got the top one right here. So that's basically how it works. You got your 2 levels of cooking. That sits in there. That sits in there. This goes on top. And booyah, you ready to cook. So there we go. Thank you guys. Like I say, so if you're barbecuing on a budget, this is what you want. As you can see, you can sit it around on the table. You can put it on the ground, however you want to do it. But, you know, it's pretty big. Look at the round area right there. So you could probably get, I could probably get, you know, 2 big, about four steaks, 4 nice size steaks. You could probably get 6 hamburgers in here, all kinds of stuff, corn on the cob. So, man. Hey, as always, I will have a link to this in the description. Make sure you guys definitely click on the link, pick this up. So, you know, if emergency situations happen, no power, or if you want to take this, it's perfect for camping. If you're going camping, don't want to carry the big boy with you, just take this little baby right here, camping, and you got you a hot meal. Hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe. See you on the next one.